Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hi there, and welcome to ElectroDrive News. Today we're talking about a frustrating situation that's affecting many Tesla owners, and it's not just about the car itself, but also the cost of fixing it. Imagine you buy a brand new Tesla, excited for your first road trip. But as soon as you start driving, you notice a strange noise coming from under the car. At first, it's barely audible, but it grows louder and more urgent until it sounds like the deck of an old ship in a storm. That's when you realize that this isn't just any car, it's your Tesla. For Anthony Thompson, a skilled automotive technician who owns a Tesla himself, this was a nightmare come true. He'd only had his new car for a few days and was already dealing with a loud creaking noise under the car. As he delved deeper into the problem, he discovered that his warranty had covered the issue, but only up to a certain point. The cost of repairing the damage? A whopping $800 for what Anthony called a coolant pack. No explanation, no details, just a hefty price tag that left him wondering what exactly was being replaced. And that's not even mentioning the fact that the repair process had left his car inoperable for several days. This is just one example of how Tesla's service model can leave owners feeling stuck between a rock and a hard place. With critical systems like cooling, braking, and battery management tightly interwoven, it's often impossible to simply replace a single part. The entire assembly gets pulled and replaced. That means that even if you have a warranty, there's still a lot of uncertainty about what you'll be paying for. Now, some may say that Tesla's emphasis on quality is a good thing. After all, who wants a car that's prone to breakdowns? But others argue that this level of control can feel like repair gatekeeping. What happens when owners try to fix their own cars or seek alternative solutions? It's a complex issue, and one that ElectroDrive News has been following closely. We've spoken to experts in the field who suggest that many issues with Tesla's vehicles are due to design flaws rather than wear and tear. And with the increasing popularity of electric vehicles, it's more important than ever that manufacturers prioritize transparency and customer control. So what can you do if you're a Tesla owner facing similar issues? First, make sure you have a warranty that covers essential repairs. Then, start researching alternative solutions like high-grade bushing grease or anti-rust coatings. And finally, don't be afraid to speak up and demand answers from your manufacturer. At ElectroDrive News, we're committed to bringing you the latest news and analysis on the automotive industry. From electric vehicles to autonomous cars, we're dedicated to giving you the facts, not just what the manufacturers want you to know.